In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a feature on Distrokid. If you've ever collaborated and wanted to display properly on Spotify, Apple Music, and YouTube's music, the key is adding the featured artist during the upload. Doing this ensures the right credits, clickable artist links, and the familiar feat. Formatting on the stores so listeners find everyone involved and your analytics attribute correctly. First, start your upload. Head to the Distrokid upload page and begin a new release. Add your song file, your cover artwork, and your release information such as the track title, your main artist name, release date, and any required details. Make sure the audio is your final mastered version and the artwork is a clean, square image that you have rights to use. Consistent, accurate info here helps the platforms match your release to the correct artist profiles and prevents delays. Next, find the place to add your collaborator. In the track information area, look in the song section for an option that says either add featured artist to song title or add another artist. The wording can vary depending on the Distrokid layout you see, but both lead to the same place. You'll add this per track, so if your release has multiple songs, open the specific one that includes the guest. Don't manually type feat into the artist field. You'll add the guest using Distrokid's artist tools so stores format it correctly. Now enter the featured artist's name exactly as it appears on streaming platforms. Match spelling, capitalization, punctuation, and any special characters to help stores link to the correct profile. Avoid adding extra descriptors or social handles, just the artist's name. When set up correctly, your track title will display as track title, featured artist once it goes live. Choose the correct role so credits are accurate. When Distrokid asks for the artist role, you'll see options such as featured artist, primary artist, remixer, or producer. For a standard collaboration where someone guests on your track, select featured artist. Primary artist is the main act releasing the song. Remixer is only for an official remix, and producer is for production credit, not a vocal or instrumental feature. Picking the right role prevents miscrediting and keeps your release grouped properly on artist pages. Finally, finish the upload and submit. Review everything one last time, confirm the featured artist is added, and send in your release. Distrokid will deliver the collaboration metadata to the stores. Allow a little time for credits to appear across platforms, and if you catch a typo later, update the release in Distrokid so they can push the correction.